Look at these guys over here. So orderly. Only if society was like this, huh? Look at they get perfectly along so well. Anyways, this is part of the enjoyment that we get. There you go. This is part of Santa Ana River Lakes. Little joy. Get to watch these guys come here, do their thing, and while we wait and do our fishing. Super neat. Look at this poor guy over here with his messed up foot. Probably some idiot moron left some fishing line somewhere, and we picked up some over here. So it's really important that you do that as much as you can. You see something, I always say, and what I was taught is leave the campsite cleaner than when you found it, especially when it comes to fishing. They got all these beautiful fowl, and you want to keep them alive and healthy and be able to enjoy it for the ages to come. These guys are calling a rest. Say, what's up? Where's everybody at? Are we all accounted for? All right, let's do this. Letting us know we're here. That's what they do. We're here. This place also has beautiful ducks, and they have their own peacocks. The whole place is really well maintained. During trout season, they also have these beautiful pelicans that come in from down south. It's pretty neat. Lucky suckers that get free entry. Oh, my bad. I guess they were calling the rest of the gang. Here they come. Talk about order, huh? Guess we can learn something from them. I almost feel like saying, look at all damn chicken. I love that video of that little girl. I know you guys have seen it. This is cool.